Yes. I want to ask if, I want to ask if someone walks in front of a praying person, does that break his namaz? It doesn't break the namaz, but it is from both the sides. They both are wrong. The one who has started the prayer without keeping the sutra, he is wrong, and the one who is crossing him is also wrong. But who is wrong in the first place? The one who started the namaz and having nothing in front of him. So, and the person who has to cross him, he has to cross. There is no choice. Well, how would he go? Maybe sometimes people, I have seen when I was working as an imam 18 years in Dubai, I used to see that the man is praying his sunnah, but he will be standing in the last row of the namaz in the masjid, and the whole masjid in front of him is open. And now even if a person wants to cross him going from behind him, he can't because he's in the last row. And there's no place for a person to go from behind him. So there is no choice for this man except to cross him. So this is wrong. So the first thing is that when you pray, you should keep something in front of you as a sutra. Alhamdulillah, after the sutra is put, then the person can cross from outside the boundary of the sutra. Otherwise, namaz won't break, but it will take away the rewards because it's a distraction. And once you have a distraction in your salah, your reward goes away from you. Okay, just to clarify, Sheikh, is there an exception if a woman or black dog goes in front of a praying person? Will that break namaz? No, I told you, my brother, there's a hadith which says that there are three people who will, take away your rewards. One is the woman, one is the dog, and the shaitan. The third is shaitan. So all these three people, you can see the woman, you can see the dog, but can you see the shaitan? No. So what will prevent shaitan? The sutra. Don't consider that the salah will be broken. Salah is not that weak that anybody passes by you and takes away your reward of the salah. No, your reward will be reduced because it's your carelessness. You were, you didn't follow the proper instructions and guidance of the terms and conditions before and after the salah, in the salah or outside the salah. So all there are etiquettes, mashallah, that you have to follow. There are terms and conditions, there are guidelines are given to you, where to stand, how to stand, and where to be facing, and what should be done before the salah. You have to have a body clean, and the clothes should be clean, your place of worship should be clean, you're facing to the qibla, you should be in wudu, and all these instructions are there, alhamdulillah.